Hello, my beautiful hot messes. Welcome. My name is Mistress Lavender, and welcome to my YouTube where I post every single day, multiple times a day, because I have amazing things to say, and I hope you have a great day. If you're watching this on my burp food channel, then this is just content that I eat. We repurpose content over here, so I'm posting the same video on two channels. You're welcome. Today we are trying pho. It's by Vifon. Apparently it's global top 10. So it's a global top 10 Vietnamese pho. Instant noodles. All you need is a microwave and water. Amazing. Look how good this looks. First bite is obviously for you. Yum, yum, yum. Now my turn. Oh my gosh. This is for instant noodles. This is absolutely amazing. Oh. So amazing and so good. It's so like, look at this. Let's have a absolutely incredible. As you guys already know, I'm a financial dominatrix. I do 18+ content as well as regular content. I get so many DMs of like for one-on-one video calls. Yes, I do that. I do that on Microsoft Teams or on my Snapchat, whichever one I have for that day. But if you want to book a video call with me, you're more than welcome, as long as you have a way to send, like Cash App, Venmo, PayPal. I also accept Amazon e-gift cards, DoorDash gift cards, and Lyft gift cards, because I use that the most, and Whole Foods gift cards. But yeah, you're more than welcome to do a video call if you're into like me eating, burping, farting, spitting, etc., etc. Like, and as long as you're 18+, of course we can do that. This is so good. And let me know, do you guys like videos when my whole face is in it for eating, or just like this where you just see the food? And you hear like the noise. And don't worry, I know you guys are here for the burps, weirdos. If you want to hear more, you can get videos on my OnlyFans, Loyal Fans, ManyVids, I Want Clips. Everything's linked in the description box. This is so good, bro. I love my life. Like, I love that I'm just so lucky. I hope you guys are enjoying something with me, like a water, a tea. Some food as well. Yeah. And if you want the same thing and you're balling on a budget, don't worry. If you have Snap EBT, these are accessible on there as well. So you can use your card. I get these on Amazon. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So good. I love my life.